Couldn't help myself. We'll do a section 21 ride. Turning down Beach Road. Quieter than when I was here earlier today. I want to tell you, back when I was a kid, one of these stories. Back when I was a kid, they didn't have a beach like this. And we used to come swimming here. Where's the fearless leader? Okay, this is the dead-end street in section 21. Okay, we're still in section 21. I'll turn back towards the beach. We're not going to turn on the one-way street because we just went down that. Turn on the street before the one-way street. This is called Woodhaven Lake. You gotta love that name. Where's the deer on Woodhaven Lane? Okay. We're going up the next street by the beach. My friend Andrew lives there. I wish he was out. There's one more street in our section 21 tour. And one cul-de-sac. I believe this is probably section 21, but I don't have my map. This is, yep, still section 21. a spot in Woodhaven. It's on the other side of the lake. And, oh, hi dear. How you doing today? Are you a Section 21 deer? Are you friendly? Okay, just don't run in front of me. Okay, anyhow, before that deer rudely interrupted me, there's one more part of Section 21, and it's over in Section 16, and it's called, we named it a long time ago, it's called Orphan 21, because it is nowhere near Section 21. And some people think they like to call it Section 16.5, but that's not its proper name. It's called Orphan 21. It's like Section 21 got orphaned. Anyhow,